the one solution. We believe into fuel cell technology, we believe into battery electric vehicles, we also believe in the hydrogen engine, and last not least, we still are convinced that for the internal combustion engines there are potentials for the future. For sure, the Euro 7 legislation, and I really would like to mention that, is of utmost importance to us. It will provide guidelines for the future filtration needs and subsequently then also on the products what we develop and supply to our customers.
Speaking of products, Heiko, what are the highlight products and solutions Mann & Hummel is presenting this year?
All right, so we have a market for fuel cell vehicles, electromobility. There's still a need also for kind of traditional diesel engines. So just starting like with what we would call traditional modules for fuel or for oil over there, which we could use not just in Europe but also in Asia and the Americas. And also these traditional products contribute to further efficiency gains and so on. And at the same time we use and these traditional products can be also used in new drivetrain solutions. So when we look at that lovely oil module here, this is actually then used for electric, which just helps that, for instance, water or dust does not enter the battery system, and at the same time we therefore also enable the pressure equalization. Over there we also show a kind of wide range of products for fuel cell applications, so that's over there at the wall. So therefore we have standard products such as cathode air cleaner, coolant particle or ion exchange filters, but also customized solution, and one particular or special product is the humidifier with the membrane technology. So therefore, yes, we offer standard products to our customers, but at the same time, as a system supplier, we develop customized solution, including ducts or additional functions, such as water separation or acoustic measures. So therefore, if you have still a little bit of time after the press conference, we are more than happy also to show you the other products and also then go into further details.
The products you just mentioned, they mainly optimize the processes inside the vehicle. Mann & Hummel also ensures cleaner air. Can you name a few examples here?
Okay. Internally, actually, we say poor quality can be prevented, and all it takes, it's just a great idea. So I would just like to highlight two examples. Over there we have actually introduced that for the first time now, the brake dust particle filter with a full encapsulation. So this is a passive system, and at the same time we are also in development for an active system, which then means that we can improve our filtration efficiency up to 70%. And over there we have a smart cabin air filter. So just as a reference to start with, so approximately we breathe air around about 20,000 liters a day. And obviously the truck is not just a vehicle, right? So it's a workplace, it's a kind of home for the drivers. So fresh and clean air is of utmost important thing about well-being, health, and so on. So therefore, with that system, we use a HEPA filter, which removes 99.95% of the particles itself, but also bacteria, viruses, and other microorganisms. So therefore, we also use a kind of sensor. So we have a smart control in place, for example, to control the airflow. And that enables us actually, or that just shows that also from a sustainability perspective, we on the one hand can save electricity or gasoline, and on the other hand we also how to say increase or extend the replacement interval of the filter element itself.
Sustainability is one of the key topics, also together with digitalization. Harald, what does that mean for Mann and Hummel?
Well, not only our company colors are green. I think sustainability is what's super important to us and what we live every day. We heard already a little bit by Heiko about the brake dust particle filter. Fine dust emissions are a problem. So what we try to do is to help and support our customers in two ways. On one side with our products, which make the world a little bit cleaner and contribute to the success of our customers. On the other side, by using recycled material and to come to a CO-free version along the entire supply chain. Our target is also that in 2050 we will be emission-free. I would like to speak about one other product, which is called the rooftop, and what you can assemble on top of trucks, buses, wherever then. So this actively takes fine dust emissions from the environment. You can say it in easy words, it works a little bit like a vacuum cleaner then. We have a great interest from cities in South America, we have interest from cities in northern Italy, we have interest from cities in the southeast of Europe then. Why? Because the pollution is extremely high. And with such a system, you can take out fine dust emissions by tires, you can take it out from the brake dust, and it really helps to come to a cleaner world. And here exactly digitalization comes into the game then. We talked a lot about emissions, we talked about zero emission vehicle then, but digitalization, that plays a real crucial role. Modern filtration systems, they work also that we can have much more flexibility in terms of the product. At the moment we have a service interval which is defined every 50,000 miles, every 100,000 kilometers. With our sensors and with our solutions, we will be open to have a predictive maintenance to make sure that we also get better in terms of emissions and ultimately, of course, also save costs. So filtration represents really a key technology. What's important to mention, I think also our customers see the value add, and from various customers in the last couple of months, we received awards in the category of sustainability.
Is there anything coming up? Where can we find your products in practice?
Perhaps I can answer that, yeah. Harald already spoke about a rooftop over there. So the same principle, we applied that to a filter in the front end, and we work together with Mercedes-Benz Vans. And there is a kind of pilot project which was kicked off a couple of months ago together with the Österreichische Post. So we talk about zero emission vehicles where they use these filters from our side. So this is currently ongoing, and I think that would go now too far to go into further details right now. But we also will have a podium discussion on Wednesday where our CEO Kirk Wilkes will participate, and for sure they will also talk about that on Wednesday.
Okay. And one more question: what is the story behind the filter throne?
Oh, it's quite interesting, and it should be also a little bit of fun over there. And I would like to invite everybody, please take a seat on the filter throne now. Now, what we would like to demonstrate, we explained that filtration is needed everywhere. And there is a broad range for filtration products, of course also for the filter elements. And the second story behind that, our vision is leadership in filtration. And a leader needs to sit where? On a throne. So we thought maybe it's a good idea to have a throne here on the exhibition then. So please try it, and we are more than happy to take a picture, and maybe you want to post it also in the social media channels then.
Thank you, and with that we close our short press conference. Thank you, Harald. Thank you, Heiko. Thank you for being here. Please grab one of the QR codes for more press information, and looking forward to talking to you later on if you have the time. Thank you.
Thank you very much.